You having a good time? Yeah?
Yeah. Having a great time.
What's the best thing you've done today?
Oh, this wasn't fun.
Yeah?
It's like a new experience.
It
I've
is.
never been on one of these before.
So tell us where we are.
We're in Bright.
Yeah.
And we were just in Feathertop Winery, and now we're
What winery?
the Feathertop.
Okay.
And now we're going to Ranger Winery
Okay.
for a wine tasting.
And tell me about your bike.
It's an electric bike. And
Okay.
It's like $3,000.
Oh wow.
Whoa. It goes really fast, and look what I can do.
Oh, skillage.
Skillage in the vineyard.
Oh my god.
Again?
Yeah. Oh. Oh my god.
I did it.
You're too much. Safety first.
Sparkling Pinot Chardonnay.
How was it?
Nice, actually.
What are your thoughts?
I think it's really nice.
Do you like it? Full bottle. What were your thoughts?
I like it.
While Mark is out, tell me the real deal.
For starters,
Yeah, come on, spill.
stick. And secondly, you didn't give it a double red, so I'm doing from the start.
Right guys, day two.
Day two.
Pumped. Woo! Everyone ready?
Yeah.
Okay. You're joking.
I'm on the viewpoint.
We're not at it, are we?
I want to find the lake.
How is this it?
What is the sign beside the lake?
No, but I'd say it's along here a little bit, no? What's a monolith?
A piece of rock.
Piece of rock standing like that.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I don't think any of you are sure. I think you're just saying that. There's a full path here. Yeah. My arse was that rocket. Honestly. What's a monolith? A rock.
It is though, that's not bullshit.
The monolith is yeah. All the steps.
What?
Yay, nature.
Like that over there. So cool.
That direction there.
I want a photo somewhere here.
You want one on that rock there, dude? Camera here, yeah. Made it.
Love that.
This is probably the highest I've ever been.
This?
Yeah. Oh.
Like that's why Blue Mountains are called Blue Mountains.
Yeah.
Hi guys.
Only everyone waves this small.
Yeah. You're like, look, mom.
Not that I actually celebrate Halloween.
Nah, they're no way.
I know, but that means it's underground.
Oh, right, yeah, sorry. I don't,
You're trying to be smart.
We're going with the grinds.
Amy, you look really impressed, so just tell me how you're feeling right now.
All I'm thinking is the fact that we have to climb all the way back up there. That we
What
came
is
down
that
to
sign?
this, and it's never fucking worth it. Literally, this.
Deirdre,
Yeah?
tell me what your first impressions are of this place.
Yeah, it's really cool. A lot more positive. What? What did you say?
She's dreading the steps. Come
I'm
back
dying.
I reckon we go on a little bit.
Yeah. Are we all good with that?
Are you okay with that?
Well, no. Walking around with